Let's in the meantime talk about, it's been over 10 days now since that horrific lynching of that Hindu man, if you remember, Deepu Chandra Das, that happened in Bangladesh by a violent mob. Now Mohan Bhagwat has reiterated his call for Hindu unity. Addressing a Hindu Sammelan in Raipur, the RSS chief, Mohan Bhagwat, spoke about the challenges that Hindus are facing globally with a specific reference to the situation in Bangladesh. He said that merely discussing these issues is not enough and calling for concrete action. Emphasizing the importance of unity, Mohan Bhagwat says that the standing together will now strengthen the community and will help keep Hindus safe.
हम हिंदू समाज के लोग हिंदू के नाते विचार करते हैं तो बहुत सारी परिस्थितियां दिखती है अपने को, जैसा बांग्लादेश का आपने उल्लेख किया महाराज जी ने, घर के संस्कारों के बिगाड़ का माता जी ने उल्लेख किया। किसी भी क्षेत्र में विचार करें तो कोई ना कोई संकट दिखाई देता है और उसकी चर्चा भी बहुत होती है, लेकिन संकटों की चर्चा करके फायदा तो कुछ नहीं। संकटों का हिसाब किताब ध्यान में आ गया, इतनी चर्चा कर ली तो पर्याप्त है। चर्चा तो उपायों की ज्यादा होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि हम लोगों को जो संकट दिखते हैं आसपास, आपके व्यक्तिगत जीवन के हो या अपने राष्ट्रीय जीवन के हो, उन संकटों का उपाय अपने पास ही है। हम ठीक रहे तो किसी संकट की ये औकात नहीं है कि वो हमको ली जाए।
Well, Pragya is connected with us. Pragya, good morning. As far as Mohan Bhagwat is concerned, he seems to be giving out a message that charcha nahi, but action is needed as far as the call for the Hindu unity is concerned.
Absolutely, Amita. And in fact, RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat has been always stressing upon the solution. And as far as Bangladesh is concerned, he had, remember, last week also, while speaking at one of the events, said that the Indian government also need to take stock of the situation and, spring into some action. Some action is needed. And this is exactly what he has reiterated today, saying that Hindu Samaj needs to be united. And if we are united, no one can attack us, no one can, present some kind of problem in front of us. In fact, he has spoken out loud about having solutions, speaking and delving on the solutions rather than keep on delving on the problems, because we have problems in every sector of life, and in fact, we face problems every day. But it is the solution that we need every day. And this is exactly what he said, that Hindu society needs to be united, collective. There should be no divisions on the basis of caste and religion. We should focus on, helping each other.
भेदभाव छोड़िए और सबको अपना मानिए, as far as when it comes to this message that is now coming in on a call for Hindu unity by the RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat. Pragya, for the moment, thank you very much for joining in. Heading into a short break, you're watching Times Now.